Welcome students. Today we are going to solve word problems on fraction. Word problems tell us that how and where fractions are used in our daily life. So let us solve word problems. So here is your question. Anju's mother bought two pieces of cheese, one weighing 7 by 8 of a kilogram and the other 6 by 8 of a kilogram. How many kilograms did the two weigh together? At first, read the question carefully once or twice or thrice. Understand the meaning word by word, then solve the question. So here, Anju's mother bought two pieces of cheese. It means there are two pieces of cheese. Weight of one piece equals to 7 by 8 of a kilogram and weight of another piece equals to 6 by 8 of a kilogram. It means weight of one piece of cheese equals to 7 by 8 of a kilogram. It is our first statement. Then we will write another statement for another piece of cheese. Now what we need to calculate, how many kilogram did the two weigh together, means total weight. So it is the indication that this problem is about addition. It means total weight of two pieces in terms of kilogram equals to 7 by 8 plus 6 by 8. Now here are two fractions, 7 by 8 and 6 by 8, both have same denominator, and I have already taught you about the addition of same denominators, fraction with same denominator. So how we will do? Final denominator will be 8, the same like this, and 7 plus 6 we will add the numerator. So here 13 by 8, and 13 by 8 is an improper fraction. So we will convert this improper fraction into mixed. It is very important. 13 we will divide in 13 by 8. So try it orally. 8 ones are 8. So 1 is a whole number. 13 minus 8 equals to 5. It means 1 and 5 by 8 kilogram. So unit is very important. Always put unit whenever you are doing any kind of word problem, and write answer also. Final answer is also very important. So the question is, how many kilograms did the two weigh together? So our answer will be both pieces of cheese weigh 1 and 5 by 8 kilogram together. Next question is, mother bought two chickens. One weighed 1 and 3 by 4 kilogram and the other 1 and 1 by 2 kilogram. How much did they both weigh together? So here is a question about chickens. So here two chickens, and there is weight of one chicken is given and weight of another chicken is given. It means our statement will be weight of first chicken equals to 1 and 3 by 4 kilogram. Here we will convert this mixed into improper also, so that our calculation will be very simple. 1 and 3 by 4 kilogram equals to 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 by 4 kilogram. Now weight of second chicken equal to 1 and 1 by 2 kilogram. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 kilogram. Now what we need to find out, how much did they both weigh together? Together is a key word. It means total weight, and total weight of both chickens equals to, we need to add them, 7 by 4 plus 3 by 2. Here what is the LCM of 4 and 2? 4. So we will write 4 here and we will solve. 4 ones are 4. We will write 1 multiply this numerator 7 plus 2 twos are 4. It means we will write 2 here multiply this numerator 3. Now we will do multiplication first. 1 sevens are 7 and 2 threes are 6. So here it is 7 plus 6 by 4. Now we will add this. 7 plus 6 equals to 13 by 4, which is equals to 3 and 1 by 4 kilogram as mixed number. Now this unit is very important. Always remember, otherwise your marks will be deduct. So we will write final answer. Both chickens weigh 3 and 1 by 4 kilogram together. This final answer is also very important to write in word problems. This unit and final answer. Next question is, a family eats 1 and 2 by 3 breads at a meal. Will 3 breads be enough for 2 meals? This we need to find out. So here are 3 breads and we need to find out that will 3 breads be enough? Here what is given? A family eats 1 and 2 by 3 breads at a meal. It means bread required for 1 meal equal to 1 and 2 by 3, right? And bread required for 2 meals, we can add 1 and 2 by 3 plus 1 and 2 by 3, right? Add both the part of breads for 2 meals. So here it is. Now here are mixed fractions. At first we will convert it into improper. So 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5 by 3. So here are 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3, and because denominators are same, so addition is very easy. Write the denominator 3 and add the numerator. It means 5 plus 5 by 3 equals to 10 by 3. Now convert this into mixed number. So 3 threes are 9. It means 3 as a whole number and 1 by 3. 3 and 1 by 3 is required for 2 meals. 3 and 1 by 3, the meaning of 3 and 1 by 3 is that 3 breads plus 1 by 3 part of bread. It means the breads required for 2 meal is greater than 3 breads. So we can say that 3 breads will not be enough for 2 meals. Very simple. Next question is, Mary painted 1 by 2 of the table and Jane painted 1 by 4 of the table. What fraction of the table did the girls paint? So here is a table. Mary painted 1 by 2 part and Jane painted 1 by 4 part. So what fraction of the table did the girls paint? It means fraction of table painted by Mary equals to 1 by 2. Fraction of table painted by Jane equal to 1 by 4. So total fraction means addition. Very simple. Add the two fractions, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, and we know that LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So we will write 4 here and we will solve this. 2 2s are 4. So we will write 2 here, multiply this numerator 1 plus 4 ones are 4. We will write 1 here and multiply 1. So it is 2 ones are 2 plus 1 ones are 1. It means 2 plus 1 by 4, which is equals to 3 by 4. And we can write the final answer like this. Both the girls painted 3 by 4 of table. Very simple. Now next question is, Babita has 2 and 1 by 3 meter of blue ribbon and 3 and 1 by 2 meter of red ribbon. How much blue and red ribbons does she have together? So here the question is very easy and together is a key word. So now what we will do? At first we will write statements that Babita has 2 and 1 by 3 meter of blue ribbon. It means length of blue ribbon Babita has equals to 2 and 1 by 3 meter. Converted into improper. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 3 meter. Now 3 and 1 by 2 meter of ribbon. Length of red ribbon Babita has equals to 3 and 1 by 2 meter. And a mixed number into improper. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2 meter. Now total length of blue and red ribbon. It means add them. 7 by 3 plus 7 by 2. And we know that LCM of 3 and 2 is 6 because 3 and 2 both are prime numbers. And these are co-primes also, and the LCM is very easy. Just multiply 3 and 2. So it is 6. Now we will solve. 3 2s are 6. So we will write 2 here. Multiply that numerator 7 plus 2 3s are 6. It means we will write 3 multiply numerator 7. Now solve this. 2 7s are 14 plus 3 7s are 21 by 6. Now add these 14 plus 21, which is 35 by 6. Now 35 by 6 is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So we will divide in 35 by 6 and what we will get? 6 5s are 30. So 5 is a whole number in mixed fraction and remainder is 5. So 5 and 5 by 6 meter. this unit is very important. I have already told you that if you will not write the unit, then your marks will be deducted in exam. So unit is very important, and final answer also. So what you will write, Babita has 5 and 5 by 6 meter ribbon all together. So these are your word problems, and have you seen that these all word problems are related to addition of fractions? And in next video, we will solve some word problems which are related to subtraction also. Okay, practice well. Goodbye.